guys, welcome back to my channel. I apologize for the weird lighting. I feel like I can never get the lighting right in my kitchen. But hi! So today's video is going to be a rough one for me because it's gonna be hard. But I'm gonna be cleaning out our mess of a pantry. I mentioned doing this in my Costco haul I just put up. I can link it up in the corner, and just showed you what a mess it was and asked if you'd be interested in seeing this. And I feel like a lot of people can relate right now because not that we're stocking up, but we're certainly cooking more at home and certain things when we go to certain stores. Because we kind of change up the stores we go to between Ralph's, Trader Joe's, and Sprouts, and Costco. That we're just kind of stocking up on things we use a lot so that we don't have to frequent those stores as often, if that makes sense. So we definitely have a lot of chicken stock, mainly because Bradley's been making a lot of chicken soup. A lot of canned goods, a lot of... You guys, I blacked out at Sprouts and bought literally like 6 of my favorite shells, which if you don't know, these are incredible. We'll talk about them later. Lots of box stuff, lots of pasta, just a lot of organizing to do, too many chips. Too much stuff. So I'm going to go through it all, check expiration dates, reorganize in a way that makes sense for both of us. And yeah, if you see me wearing my headphones in this, I'm going to be listening to an audiobook on Audible, which is today's sponsor. I definitely prefer to listen to books and I love Audible, you guys know that. I'm diving into a whole world of like OCD related books and there's a ton of ones you can listen to on Audible. But let's go into voiceover mode so I can tell you a little bit more about Audible. So if you somehow don't know what Audible is, it's the leading provider of spoken word entertainment and audiobooks. And no matter what audiobooks you're into, whether it's fiction, nonfiction, memoirs, biographies, they have something for everyone. My personal favorite ones to listen to are autobiographies narrated by the author themselves. My favorites are the Holly Madison books. I loved Naya Rivera's book, and you guys, again, I'm gonna talk about Naya in a different video, but if you just want to honor her life and listen to her book, it is great and it's on Audible. I loved Anna Kendrick's audiobook, Jenna Fisher. I know Bradley is currently listening to Michelle Obama's. We're both currently listening to Jessica Simpson's. But if you're not into autobiographies, they have a lot of other very popular titles as well. It's definitely worth a gander. And right now, Audible is doing an incredible job at giving back during these very kind of like isolating quarantine times. So I wanted to tell you a little bit about that. If you are at home with little ones, definitely check out stories.audible.com. Anyone, anywhere can stream hundreds of titles completely free, and it gives kids something to look forward to that's screen free. You don't need an Audible membership to have this. Anybody, anywhere can listen to it. And the stories are available in English, German, French, Spanish, Japanese, and Italian, which I think is really cool. And most of the titles are suitable for the entire family. So it's just something fun that you can do with your kids. They also launched audible.com/sleep, where you can listen to soothing audio experiences to help you fall asleep. And they involve P. Diddy and Nick Jonas, which I can't wait to listen to those. But they're available for a limited time. And again, you don't need an Audible membership to access those free listens. However, if you do want to sign up for a membership, if you use my link, which is audible.com/Amy, or you can text Amy to 500-500, you will get your first 30 days completely free, and each month you get a title to download and you get access to a monthly selection of their Audible originals, which they have original content only for audible.com. So it's very affordable monthly to stay on after that, and if not, you get to keep the book that you downloaded for free. It is yours to keep. So again, audible.com/Amy, or text Amy to 500-500 to get your first 30 days free. So yeah, thank you to Audible for sponsoring this video. It means a lot to me. But yeah, basically let's just get cracking. I do have my vlogging camera over here to like show you any, like, you know, we got 2 cameras going to show you the max amount of organizing today, but it should be like pretty straightforward. I can show you some of the containers and whatnot that we use to sort things out, but yeah, let's just go ahead and just like start taking everything out. Okay guys, got my assistant Ludi here, good boy. But here is the finished pantry. It is still full to the brim, and I even like told Bradley like, yo, we have too much stuff. We need to chill on buying like chips and such until we can work through what we have a little bit. But at the same time, I love feeling fully stocked on things we love, and especially in these times where it's like we can't just, you know, we live walking distance from a Trader Joe's, and we used to love just like popping into Trader Joe's to get what we needed for the evening, but like that's not an option right now. We're trying to limit our time out and about to like once every other week and a half, and so times are just different, and so we have a little more on hand than we normally do, so it was tricky to get it all in here, but I'm pretty pleased with how it like turned out. You can see pretty much everything, and we will start to like work through certain things, but I'm gonna give you a little overview. So this top shelf I used to reserve for like breakfast items only, but then I realized that like the only breakfast items we had were cereal pretty much, so I decided to branch out and use it for other things. So I put all of our broths here. We have lots of chicken broths, some the stuff from Trader Joe's is really good, miso ginger broth, and there's a random tomato soup in there as well, but it's in the same kind of container. Then canned goods, this is like not healthy for you, but I'm obsessed with these Knorr garlic and herb sauce mixes. My mother-in-law always uses them, and I told her and she like gave me a ton of them, so we've been working our way through those. Some just like random stuff. I love these Vitality Drops from Young Living. You like add them to your water, they taste good. Just like a random box of, you know, cornbread, just random stuff. We store our nuts in mason jars, so pine nuts, almonds, cranberries, that's not a nut, but you get it, and macadamia nuts. And then up here is kind of like the snacky area, so we have the applesauce packets. I like those, Bradley doesn't, but Bradley likes these two things, granola type things. And then these are Bradley's, but they wouldn't fit with the rest of the sweet stuff. So we have rolled oats and then a bunch of cereal. My assistant has fallen asleep. Then moving on to the next row, it's mostly like pastas and then pasta sauce. So as you saw in that Costco video, we really like the Rouse homemade marinara, so whenever it's at Costco we bulk up on that. We also have some of the Alfredo, which we've never tried, Arabiata, which we also haven't tried, some organic vodka sauce from Trader Joe's. We have started making our own vodka sauce, but that one is still really, really good. And then this was like a newer product that we still haven't tried, the limon Alfredo sauce. Then we kind of have like our boxed pasta area. This is my absolute favorite. If you have a Sprouts, try this. It's only 99 cents a box. They do have a couple different flavors, which I haven't tried, but this one is the best one, I can guarantee you. Just, oh, look at that. I told Bradley we need to have one for dinner tonight because I have one more, but look, I have so many boxes of it. I'm so happy. So yeah, try that if you haven't. We also love the Annie's shells and white cheddar if we want, like, I don't know, we'll have like chicken, a salad, some mushrooms, and then a mac and cheese or something. I don't know, it's just easy. My freaking guilty pleasure is this pastaroni. Literally, in high school, I would eat so much of this pastaroni. The angel hair pasta with herbs, like wow. It's like Olive Garden, but for $1. And then we have some more pastas, lasagna noodles. I have these OXO containers, all different sorts. If I can find these online, I will link them down below. These are some tortellini from Trader Joe's I just kept in this jar that I use for my sausage and tortellini soup, which I think I have a recipe on somewhere. I'll put it up in the corner if I do. And then we have kind of random condiments and spices. So I love the Hidden Valley Ranch spice. It probably has bad stuff in it for me, but like it is so flavorful. Sesame seeds, I love the Frank's Red Hot sauces. Some balsamic soy sauce, white wine vinegar, red wine vinegar, all that kind of stuff. Then we kind of have the baking area and some other random things like Jet Puff marshmallow cream, you know, sweet things used for making sweet treats. You guys have seen my little baking thing, which is not very full, but it was a nice way to organize all of my random baking accessories. We have a small section here for dog TREATS's. Can't say the word anymore. We have backstock. We have like a dog bin in one of our cupboards where we have more TREATS's, but just the ones that are like open we keep in here. So our favorites, if you're curious. He loves the Fruitable Skinny Minis, and I've given him pretty much every flavor, but I thought the watermelon was fun for summer. And then these are the only dog treats we've tried from Trader Joe's so far, but the grain-free peanut butter and banana ones. A lot of their treats say like over 6 months, which he's still only 5 months. So yeah, I'm talking about you. Oh, did I say the T word? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just gave you so many though. You can't have any more, okay? And then this is usually like our sweet section, but right now it's just filled with special cookies. Then down here, and it kind of spilled down, which doesn't normally happen, but we just have so much. We have like crackers, snack trail mix, chips, pita chips, just kind of snacky things. We have some popcorn in there. So yeah, just snacky bits. We have this bowl that we keep like produce that likes the dark, so garlic, potatoes, and onions pretty much. And then we have our little bread section. And then down below we have just our little assortment of cookbooks, which I showed you earlier what we have, which I can link those down below. I like all of them, so yeah. And then we have these cute containers from Pioneer Woman that have rice, brown rice pasta, almonds, cashews, something. These are all full of something, and who knows. And then yeah, more, we have like croutons, snack things, like I said. So yeah, guys, I am very pleased with the way it turned out. It just feels much better, and like also kind of sorting through things lets you know what you have, and I'm kind of like inspired to make maybe like a meal plan for the next couple of weeks to see if we can, I should like look in the fridge and coordinate and like try to use up produce, but also try to use up stuff in here and stuff in the freezer. So yeah, it's just always nice to go through your things and see what you got. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more like decluttering, organizing videos, I can link my playlist up in the corner. But I'm not gonna lie to you, my camera, I'm exhausted, and it's a lot. It's like Tetris, so my brain hurts, but it feels good to have it done. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Ludo, for assisting, taking a break, a job well done. Thank you again to Audible for sponsoring. Don't forget to get your free 30 days. I'll have the link down below, or just go to audible.com/Amy. But yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.